Quezon State.
Wow.
1.3 billion.
Wow.
1.3 billion.
45,000 pa naman na students, no? Oh. Siguro po gusto nating marinig yung paghahanda, no? Si engineer, mga paghahanda ninyo, engineer, for the league and...
Yes, good morning to all. Actually, you have to expect a very competitive game. Like the last season, you can never tell who will win the game. Kasi everybody is nag-upgrade. And I am expecting that who will be watching the game, mag-i-enjoy. Kasi you can never tell who will win the game. So even the championship, sabi nga nila, nandyan ang ICC, nandyan ang Dasal, pero nag-upgrade na lahat. So, watch them. Thank you.
ang ano ba naman yun, GM nyo very competitive hanggang ngayon. Naglalaro ng basketball. No? Even before, gusto niya laging laban. No? So, question natin dito?
Yeah. Sige, go.
Good morning, gentlemen.
Mexico. Gentlemen, tatanungin ko lang yung expectation nyo this coming season. Tatalunin nyo ba yung ICC and ano yung inyong aspiration for the overall ng General Championship ng RAA.
Yes.
Actually, for this season, still the team to beat, I think, is ICC, no, the back-to-back defending champion. But last year, we were just 2 points away sa championship. And hopefully, makuha na sa last one. Pero hindi ba, yung 10 teams competing for this 31st season for the basketball competition are all competitive teams, and I think for this season, the balance competition for that.
Sa other schools po.
Sa amin, we have been preparing kahit na last year. Actually, lahat naman kami we have prepared, pero alam naman natin lahat na yun nga, kaya nag-back to back ang ICC. Medyo malakas talaga. Pero yeah, we have been preparing, we have been scouting. Yun lang po.
Yes, sir. Sa Ames.
Yeah.
Sir.
Sa Ames naman, the same thing, ang focus talaga ng mga players namin is schooling. Pero dahil kasali kami sa NCRAA, we tried our best to be on the top. Last year na, we are not expecting to be the number 3. So it means from previous years, wala kami sa top 5, pero last year nasa top 3. So hopefully, kung nung opening tinalo namin ng ICC, baka sa susunod tatalunin pa rin namin ang ICC.
Yes. How about yung fans? Sir.
Oh my God, kasi ang fans ko is a new sets of players, bago po sila, and new coach. So definitely, medyo, pero we will try our best. Definitely, mag-prepare po kami para po sa NCRAA.
Sir, bali pala nyo pala.
Well, again, I've been trying to motivate every school to upgrade. If we have to upgrade NCRAA, we have to start from the board, the mindset of the board to be competitive, and then cascading down to the different teams. I have been visiting their schools, and I think everybody is really preparing hard to ensure that there will be exciting. To me, what is important is for us to showcase pure basketball collegiate level competition. The sheer tenacity of the aspirations of the players, yun ang gusto kong ma-showcase dito. That is, in my mind, the formula to have an exciting ball game. And in the process, hopefully, we should be able to create new faces in Philippine basketball.
Sir, yung St. Francis nag-set ng forfeit record sa NCR NAA, no? But yung ICC this time, nakadalawa na. So, kayo ba sir, mga schools nyo, balak nyo pigilan or pakita talaga yung pinaka-the best ninyo sa team sa against ICC?
I think 2 is enough. Pero give credit to ICC, maganda yung sports program nila, yung basketball program nila. But hopefully, no, yung mga teams na dito, sabi ko nga kayo na, balance naman lahat, no. So, and yung format namin, so yung ng semis and finals, semis and knockout, so anybody is working. So,
Sa ibang schools po?
Ayun nga, tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina, lahat naman kami nagpe-prepare, especially, kami rin sa PMMS, nag-prepare din, nag-scouting, preparation, pero, ayun, yun nga, sana, mabigay sa amin, mabalik, ayun, thank you.
As I have said a while ago, naka-ready naman kami. So, the same thing. Nung last opening day, we are the opponent of ICC and we were able to beat them. So this time, baka kami din na magharap ulit. So the same thing will happen. We will try our best to beat them again. New sets of players and new coach, definitely medyo may transition period. So gagawin po namin yung magagawa namin para po mabitnan sila. Hindi pwede sila lang palaging manalo eh. So, yun yung aming best practice po.
Kumbali,